What up, YouTube? Bobby Land coming at you with another video. Hey guys, look, I'm over here at Matt Hornbuckle's auto detailing shop, and just wanted to kind of give you guys an update on some stuff and see what I'm doing here. Anyway, gonna come check out some of the stuff he's got here. Gonna get out of the 488 here. Let y'all see what all this is like. Ma'am?
You can tell Mama needs that car.
Okay, Mama needs that car. Sell it to you. How much you want to give me for it? Hey, I'm gonna need you to rev this. I like the way it sounds. Hold on, let me get back here. Nice. Get out of this guy's way so we can.
$330-something hours. It's crazy.
Yeah, 12,165 miles.
Wow.
And it ain't here though. 4 hours.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video today. Hey, if you like the channel or you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Special thanks to Matt Hornbuckle for letting me come over there and hang out at Hornbuckle Auto Detailing today. Check out some of the cars and everything that he had over there. And I hope that I didn't get too much in his way running around with my camera and filming everything. Anyway, guys, until next video.